From yellowed and foggy to crystal clear. This is how you can clean your headlight lens easily without having to buy new ones. Andy from a DA Garage master detailer here is going to show you how to get this ugly yellow headlight to something like this. Look at that. That's what it's supposed to be. Nice and clear.
Yeah, so what we're doing today, we just got a cheap Hobo Freight DA polisher, a little bit of grill. It's a complete compound, just a heavy cutting compound that you can get from AutoZone and just, pretty much any little auto parts store. And then we got a Rupes wool cutting pad. So this process is pretty quick. Usually can get it done within just a couple passes.
You can use any automotive safe polish or a scratch remover such as this. It can also be done by hand, applying with a terry towel, then letting it haze for a minute, then buff it out with a clean microfiber towel. It should, however, be noted that doing it by hand doesn't yield quite as good of results. You can get the lenses very clean and clear by hand, but with a DA polisher, the results are a little better.
One more time for a little bit more clarity.
That already looks 1,000 times better.
Yeah, and then we'll just throw on a waxing pad or a polishing pad and throw a sealant on there, and it'll preserve the headlight a little bit and keep it clear for longer.
Also, this isn't a permanent fix. The yellowing and fogginess is caused by micro cracks, chips, and debris that has been embedded in the plastic over time. Other than applying a clear plastic protective film over a brand new headlight, there is no way to avoid the plastic getting foggy over years of use. And that's it. Enjoy your crystal clear headlight lens.